In this video, I'll show you how to check your PayPal account details, including what works as your account number. First, open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and log in with your email and password. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll usually see your name and email address near the top or under your Profile or Settings menu. For most people, your PayPal email address is what works like your account number. This is what you give to someone who wants to send you money to your PayPal account. Make sure this email is active and correct, because all notifications and payments will go there. If you need a more formal ID, such as a PayPal ID or Merchant ID, go to Settings, then look for sections like Account Settings, Business Information, or Account Info. There you may see a long string of letters and numbers that identifies your account in PayPal's system. Remember, why PayPal doesn't use a traditional bank account number for receiving money. Instead, you share your email or, in some cases, your PayPal link or merchant ID when requested. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.